Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This week we made a key holder.
Our son-in-law recently had mentioned that he wanted to create a key holder, just a real small one on a simple piece of wood for their home. But he's been so busy moving into their new home as well as getting established in the new job now that they moved back to Hawaii. So we kind of took it upon ourselves, and so we made a key ring, and this is how we did this.
Don't forget to hit that like button. This helps our channel grow, and please leave us a comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Baby Poor Man went to the container and selected the best piece of wood.
Previously, we mentioned that we have a very big project that we're working on to build a closet organizer. Right about when we started, I realized a major flaw in the plans that I put together. We have a hatch that goes into the ceiling, and I almost blocked that entire thing off. So I've got to redo the plans on that one and come up with something else. But in the meantime, we happen to have a few other things that came up that we need to work on. So we're not sure which one we'll be able to get done first, but we're also going to do the last bathroom that we have remaining, and we're going to do a renovation on that. And so that will probably be in several different parts because it's going to take a lot to do that. So until we meet again, bye-bye.